Okay, so page 50 we have here the same type of question again. This is with a calculator. Again, calculate the area of the trapezium. We must turn the trapezium round because it doesn't look like a trapezium. You turn it round in the test, you'll see this is now the top, this is the bottom, and this is the height. And make sure that when you're answering it, you check to see that it's centimeters squared or whatever, and that's your answer there. 220.5. Do your calculations to get your answer. Okay, the question underneath. Again, I've answered this in the previous video. Mary has 63 square tiles and she wants to arrange them to make a rectangle. So you have to think of all the ways you can make 63 squares. So you pick two numbers to multiply. 1 times 63, you could add 3 times 21, 9 times 7. Any of those answers would give you the square of 63. If you're looking for the square of 60, you could of course do 10 times 6. You could do 3 times 20, 4 times 15. So the key word is square. Just what can you make to get to 63? Again, that's a calculator question, so you'll be able to use your calculator to get the answer for that. So this is a penultimate question in this booklet. Now again, you'll note this is a trapezium question again, but it's non-calculator. Now, this is a tricky question. They're trying to trick you out. First things first, it's not a normal trapezium, so turn it round so you can see the trapezium. So turn it round, and you can see now this is the top, this is the bottom, but look, this 6 centimeters is not the total height. It's 6 plus the 5. The total height is now 11. Okay, so that's the trick there. The trick isn't just the 6, it's the 6 and the 5 to get the height. Turn it around normally, you can see that there is actually the height there. Okay, so find the area of the trapezium. So basically it's top plus bottom times height divided by 2 to give you an answer of 55 with all your workings, boys and girls, with all your workings. Now, the second part is when they're looking to find the quadrilateral T, Q, or S. Now what does that mean? They're looking, T, Q, or S, they're looking for this shape here. So in other words, you have found the whole trapezium to be 55. You need to take this bit off it to get this bit. So this bit is a triangle, and the formula for triangle is the length times the height divided by 2. So really it's easy enough once you know what you're doing. So the area of the whole shape is 55. You need to take this small triangle, which is that bit that I showed you. 5 fours is 20 divided by 2 is 10. So your 55, take away your 10, gives you an answer of 45. So basically what that means is this whole area here was 55, the quadrilateral. Take this bit that's 10, not 20, 10, which gives you an answer here of 45. And that's how you tackle that type of question there. Tricky non-calculator question, but again, it's all about identifying the trapezium. Now finally, this is the last question in this booklet, booklet 1, and this is a calculator question. This here is page 52. So it says, using only the symbols add and multiply, put one each to make the sum. So again, you've got a calculator, just either work out if that's multiply or add or that's multiply or add to get the answer. Again, they're asking you to use one of these, at least one of these in here. Make sure you don't use them more than once. Again, trial and improvement to make sure you get the answer using a calculator of 30. So that's the answer for that. That answer is plus, multiply and take away, and the top answer is multiply and add. And finally, just a quick revision on decimal places. That first answer is 6.0. Check yours. Second answer is 0.036, and final answer is 0.064. Okay, that's significant figures. Just be very careful. Remember, significant figures, you go to the number 4 because it's the second number. The zeros don't count. This 0 won't change the 4, but these two numbers afterwards will become 0.